Hey guys, my name is Cory,
And I'm George.
and we'll be reviewing The Swiss Army Man today, which stars Daniel Radcliffe as well as Paul Dano. Just so you know, this video is completely spoiler-free, so this is very safe to watch. George here is pretty much an expert on movies. He'll give you his very refined opinion, and then I'll chime in every now and then, just so you have a nice dynamic for this video. So without further ado, let's get into the discussion.
Thank you, Cory. It was a good movie. You should see it.
Yeah, it was pretty good.